bit and byte, and how they relate to basted birds. So I want to try a turducken. That's a chicken shoved inside a duck, shoved inside a turkey. Now computer code is made of a lot of ones and zeros, and one of these ones or one of these zeros is called a bit. A bit is kind of like your stuffing, and when you have just bits, you have a lot of them. And no one wants their computer storage counted in numbers like this. So you take a reasonable amount of stuffing pieces, namely 8, and you put them inside a chicken, and that's called a byte. So, one chicken is equal to 8 stuffing pieces. But this still leaves you with a large number, and it's still hard to keep track of. So you take that chicken, you take 1,024 of that chicken, and you put it inside a duck. This is called a kilobyte. So, one duck is equal to 1,024 chickens and 8,192 bits of stuffing. Since that duck is still not large enough to adequately count your storage or fill your insatiable hunger, you put 1,024 of those ugly ducklings into one turkey, and that is a megabyte. One turkey equals out to 1,048,576 chickens. But because you're hungry, and that's still not enough, you put 1,024 of those turkeys into one pelican. At this point, you have 1 gigabyte and the world's most complicated pelturducken. And if you've been keeping track, one pelican is equal to 1,073,741,824 chickens. That's a whole 3% of the world's chickens. Now, taking 1,024 of your turkey, duck, chicken stuffed pelicans, you load one pterodactyl, which is a pterabyte. The P is silent. And you've invented the world's first pelturducken. But we're not done yet. 1,024 pterodactyls goes into one ostrich, the petabyte, and 1,024 ostriches goes into one big bird, an exabyte. 1,024 big birds goes into one of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson's bird counterparts, the equally bald eagle, a zettabyte. And 1,024 Dwayne the Bird Johnsons goes into one dragon, a yottabyte. And now your drag Dwayne Big Ostel pelturducken equals 1 septillion, 208 sextillion, 925 quintillion, 819 quadrillion, 614 trillion, 629 billion, 174 million, 706,176 chickens. And the poor species isn't making a comeback. And so, because saying that you have 3.5 Dwayne "The Rock" Johnsons is easier than saying that you have this many chickens, we have bits and bytes.